Hello and welcome to this safe and serene estate in Ajah, Lagos. And today I'm about to show you this exclusive 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. This house is sitting on a massive 648 square meter land, and it's built with the finest materials in town. Hang on a second, let me turn the camera around. So this premium listing is in the market for 520 million naira, and it sits on 648 square meter land size, massive land space, located in a call to access estate. Beautiful interior and exterior with well finished fittings, solid stone works, timeless piece, and something that is of value and also a good investment. If you've been in the market searching for a spacious family home or a prime real estate investment within Ajah, this might just be the perfect one for you. This house was built to be a family home for the owner, hence the beautiful finishings that the builder gave this house. From the outside, you notice that it's well lifted. Okay, this house here, the land size here, can take comfortably more than 6 cars, up to 6 to 8 cars. The parking area can comfortably take up to 6 to 7 cars conveniently. All right, from this location, it gives you an angle view of this house from this side. You see this walkway all the way down to the back where we have the boys' quarter. All right, and this other side with a carport. All right, so before we go in, I'll quickly take you to the back so that we can see the back of the house, what it looks like. Okay, so this house here comes with a maid's room. It also comes with a BQ, which is a bungalow just behind the house. It sits on its own, so it's massive and it's also well built. There's something beautiful about this house. The owner took his time, or rather the builder took his time to pick and finish this house well. So all you need to do is just bring in your personal items and just come in. Over here is the water treatment plant and also a water tank here, which takes the water after purification and then takes it up to the overhead tank that is on the rooftop of the house. This house is already connected to internet, so it means it's a plug and play. There's an internet system, or rather company, that services the estate. And currently this house enjoys up to 18 to 20 hours of light on a daily basis because the estate is on band A. All right, there are so many features that comes with this house. Just take a look at the details, the fine greeneries, the coconut plants here, and even when there is a lot of sun, you can see from this side. Just have a look at the house. You see it's being shaded. So the architectural work here done is also beautiful. Take a look at the intricate finishing, the massive pillars with beautiful modern stone works. All right, so let's take a walk inside the house to show you what the interior looks like. This definitely should be your next investment address. Alright, so once you come in, what greets your eyes is the massive wooden door, the security wooden door, and then lots of windows that floods the house with natural light. So let's take a look at the visitor toilet. This is your visitor's toilet. And then we step into the living room. But before we go into the living room, to your right here, to my right rather, is your guest room. This is your guest room. The guest room also comes with enough windows for cross ventilation, and it also comes with 2 closets, one on this side and the second one to this side where we have the toilet and bath. Okay, so now we step into the living room. So upon stepping into the living room, you get to be greeted by this beautiful chandelier and also a wooden door that welcomes you home. This home not only speaks of comfort, it speaks elegance and lifestyle. These tiles were handpicked, especially by the builder, who happens to be the owner of this house, and he built it to taste because of family living. All right, so your living room comes with lots of windows for cross ventilation, lots of windows for cross ventilation. Over here is your TV console, okay? And I'm going to go to this side so I give you another angle view of your living room. Look at lots of windows that floods this house to give you natural light. And then also there's a detailing up here. You see this detailing? When we go upstairs, we'll see properly what this detailing is also telling us. All right, so this is another angle view of your living room. Okay, so you see there are lots and lots of windows. So this staircase here takes you upstairs. Remember, on the ground floor we've already viewed one room, that's the guest room. All right, so we're going to look at the kitchen. On this side of the living room is where your dining table will be, all right, with this beautiful lightings and chandelier. So, and that's it, beautiful. And also this beautiful corner where you can decorate as you want it. Okay, so let's step into your kitchen. This is your beautiful kitchen. The choice of color here is also beautiful. The red and the white with marble, special marble countertops. This is actually beautiful. Okay, I'm sure madam will love this. The kitchen also comes with a storage space. Okay, this is the store, which has already been partitioned to make it easy for you to store your cooking items. Okay, this is another exit. This is a kitchen exit that takes you outside, and outside there's a part that is a kind of a space if you would love to, if you're someone that loves gardening, you can use it as your garden, or better still, you can if you want to make a pool, you can decide to use it for a pool. So the owner specially left that part in case anyone who buys this house would want a pool, or you would want to use it as a garden, so you deem fit the way you want to use it. All right, so once again, this is another angle view of your kitchen. All right, you see it's spacious and also comes with lots of storage spaces. This estate enjoys electricity most times up to 24 hours, and in other cases minimum at least 18 hours. Take note of these tiles. They are specially handpicked by the builder, and they are all Spanish or Italian tiles. All right, so we're going to go upstairs to see what we have upstairs for you. All right, smart investors, before we go up to show you the rest of the house, okay, if this is your first time coming across my video, welcome to this channel. My name is Joy and I bring you the very best of real estate investments in Lagos, Nigeria. Properties with good titles, clean properties in best of locations with good titles, and also the very best of deals. All right, so let's go tour and see the rest of this house. So let's go. The staircases are actually done in a way that even an elderly can easily climb it. So once you come upstairs, what meets or greets your eyes also is the beauty of this place. So this was the design that caught our attention from downstairs. This is done in a way that even if you have kids playing around, they will never ever be able to maneuver this place. This is an opening, but look at this beautiful design. This area is your lounge. This is your private family lounge, also flooded with lots of windows, and this beautiful design up here. Okay, before we take a walk into the rooms, let's quickly explore what is here. This door here, let's go. All right, this door welcomes you to your home office with enough windows as well. Okay, and then there's a door here that takes you outside. So this is your sit out. Imagine having your home office here, and then when you feel like having natural air, and you can just stroll around, come out and sit out and have a look, and then come back in. Okay, so this is your home office. Let's go back in. Once again, this is your family lounge. And here is this is a room. These are 3 other rooms, so that makes it 4 rooms. This is your box room. This is your box room. So this is not a bedroom. It's a box room. And these are the other 3 rooms. Let's look at these rooms before we look at the other one on that side. So this is one of the rooms. Large rooms. It's modern fittings and modern wood door. Massive. This wood doors are heavy and finely polished. Okay. Okay, so this is room number 3. Remember, we viewed one room downstairs, and then this is the second one we're looking at upstairs. That makes it 3. All rooms are ensuite, remember. Look at the intricate finishings. The choice of tiles in both the bathrooms and the rooms. Okay. Okay. Then this is another room. These rooms are well lighted. They are all well lighted, and they all come in suite. This is the closet to this particular room, and this is the bathroom and toilet. Okay, so let's go look at the last room, which is the master bedroom. All right, welcome to your master bedroom. This is the primary bedroom. You can see it's actually bigger, a lot bigger. Also comes with lots of storages. All right, this is beautiful. There's a calmness, a sudden kind of calmness that comes in this house. Even when it's sunny, this place is calm. So this is the master toilet and bath. This is another angle view of this master bedroom. Beautiful, stunning, and well designed, well finished. This is what comes when you are getting a house that is built by the owner who intends to use it as his own personal living space. Okay, so it means everything was handpicked and finally finished. Okay. All right, smart investors, we have come to the very end of this tour. If you love this house, if it ticks your boxes, if it looks like something you want to invest in, it's currently in the market for 520 million naira. That is the asking price. All right. So all you need to do is give me a call on the number showing on the screen. Let me bring you for a physical inspection or a virtual tour so that we can help you get a good deal on this house. Do not hesitate. This is a beautiful house built to taste by the owner, actually for family or personal use, but he happens to want to sell it because he built a bigger house and his family is around, so he's putting this one in the market and it's lovely. All right, so call me right away. This once again is a call to access estate, beautiful, serene, and also located in one of the very best parts of Ajah. Okay, it has building permits. Everything about this house is top-notch. The estate has global C of O. Okay, it's a top-notch, secure estate in Ajah. Do not hesitate to give me a call if this looks like something you want to add into your investment portfolio, either if it's for personal use or something you want to use for investment purpose. Okay, it's actually a perfect one. So do not hesitate to call right away. Let's help you get a good deal on this house. Once again, my name is Joy. I bring you the very best of real estate investment in Lagos State. Properties with good title, genuine properties in the best of locations, and also ones with good deals. Okay, do not hesitate to call me. Give me a thumbs up on this video, like this video, subscribe and share so that once we upload subsequent videos, you'll be the very first to get to see them and watch them. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you on the next one, and don't hesitate to call us. Let's seal this deal for you. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell,